Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Razr from 2022, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here, navigate all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. This will bring up a message letting you know that this process removes everything that is listed right over here. So if you have anything on your phone that you'd like to keep, do make a backup copy of it before you begin. Now, assuming you have already made that copy or you just simply don't want to, then select Erase All Data. Do that once more. Now, the chances are if you have some kind of screen lock on your device, you'll need to confirm it, but I don't, so I can just jump straight to resetting the phone. Now, this entire process should take about like 3 minutes to finish up tops. And once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you want. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.